YouTube channel Hungry Hunt. Hope you are a subscriber to our channel. If not, please subscribe it and make it popular in the network. Now it is monsoon time, and it is the Bengal monsoon that brings with it the Ilish season, since the fish tastes best during monsoon. And today we will be romancing Ilish Mach or Hilsa fish and cook a quick 5-minute recipe, Doi Shorshe Ilish Mach, a steamed dish in micro oven. This item can be cooked in gas oven too. Now let's start. Here I have taken 2 pieces of Ilish or Hilsa, approximately 300 grams. Mustard paste made with black and yellow mustard, green chili and a pinch of salt, curd, mustard oil, milk, turmeric powder, salt and jaggery as per taste. We will begin with marinating the fish with some amount of salt. Next I'll put the fish, put some amount of marinade from the top also, and cover it. Put the second fish and do the same, cover the fish with the marinade nicely. And let the fish stand with the marinade for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, before putting the dish in the micro oven, I'll cover it with aluminium foil. If you have a cover, you can use that cover too. Prick it. Now the dish is ready to go inside the oven. As I was telling you, you can use gas oven too. Put the marinated fish in a pan, cover it with a lid and cook in slow fire for 10 minutes if you want to cook it in gas. And here I will put the fish in the oven for 5 minutes. Let's put it inside the oven. Close the door. Here see, in micro high, first I'll put the switch, then I'll take the power level to 60% of the original power or the maximum power. So in 60% power level of your micro oven, you are going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll stop the machine. Let the dish remain in the micro oven for another 5 to 10 minutes before you take it out. After giving it a standing time of 10 minutes in micro oven, I've taken it out. Let's check it. Yeah, it's done. Here goes your bhapa or Doi Shorshe Ilish mach. Serve it with plain white rice, a green chili and a dash of raw mustard oil. Ilish is an oily fish with essential fatty acids that helps develop brain and nervous system. Some research says it has ability to lower high cholesterol level too. Hope you have loved the dish. Please like, share and put your comments. Stay home, wash your hands, stay safe. Goodbye.